Okay, so here's the quick and dirty of what I'm doing. This is the engine block and one of the heads that came out of that Subaru. And what I've done is I've completed the project on this side, which is the driver's side. There's your oil dipstick. Goes down to your oil pan, I think it's called, oil pan. That's where all the oil is stored. There's your oil filter, just to give you some references. Now this side has no head attached. These are the exposed piston heads inside of the cylinder block. And what needed to happen was I had to take this off, and I cleaned these guys out. I guess you don't really need to clean these too much, but I went pretty thorough and cleaned them. This is the water jacket. So you have gasoline entering here, and these pistons move up and down, and they compress the fuel, and then a spark plug sparks, and it makes that piston shoot out the other way. And then the opposite thing happens here. So when one comes up, the other one goes down, and vice versa. And that happens on both sides. This is a 4-cylinder boxer engine. There are many different configurations of engines, but this is specific to Subaru. And Porsche also does it. There are other companies that used to do it, but not too many still do it. So in Subarus, one of the problems they have is the head gasket. So there's a piece that goes along here, and I'll show you what that is. It's right here, actually. This is the new one. And this is actually made up of 3 layers of metal. I'm not sure exactly what they are. It's a company called Fel-Pro is one of the companies that makes these. Now this will just kind of lay in there, and then the cylinder head is going to go here, just like this side. You might see in the background here, I don't want to shake this too much, but I don't want to make you too dizzy with this video. Let's see if I can move over here. So this guy is cylinder head. These, when I took them off, they tend to have some like warpage issues down here, just normal use, because they're made out of aluminum. This surface can get a little bit warped, so I take it to a machine shop and they cut down this side, real small layers, so they flatten it out again. But here you can see the valves. So there's intake valves and exhaust valves. And these just happen to be slightly different size on Subarus. They're different designs. And that center hole is where the spark plug hangs out. So when it's all together, this will be the top of what you just saw on the cylinders, and the piston will kind of move against this. And everything is timed such that these guys will open up and fuel will enter the cylinder, and then they'll close, and then there's an explosion with the spark plug sort of acting as the reason why things are exploding. And then these guys open up and the exhaust goes through those holes. These guys look like kind of umbrellas or something on the other side, cone shaped. So what I'm doing now is I had to take this to the machine shop, like I said, and they sent it back to me in a nice bag so no debris gets inside of this. And let me reorient it and I will start the video again.